Before we begin, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Audible. If you have not heard of Audible, which if you watch my videos, then you know that Audible and I are good friends. Audible is basically digital spoken audio. There is a wide selection of audiobooks. There's journalism, there's theater, there's comedy, there's news, there's everything. I'm always on the go. So if you're a busy person, then Audible's for you. Honestly, I'm the type that doesn't like to actually read, but I love a good story. It's like story time, you know? And I'm so excited, guys, because this deal today, honey, the deal is popping today. So for new members right now, you can get the first 3 months for $6.95 a month. I mean, $6.95 a month for 3 months? That's like a coffee, y'all. So give the gift of listening to somebody, to your friends or your mama. So if you want this deal, go to audible.com/Karina. That is audible.com/Karina. Or text Karina to 500-500. That is text Karina to 500-500 for your 3 months of $6.95. I mean, what are you waiting for? Happy holidays, y'all. That's my gift to you, sweetie. And you guys already know, I've talked about this before, how I'm so excited about their new Audible originals. I mean, this is like, this is a freaking show. This is taking Audible to the next level, and that's my new obsession right now. I listen to Audible originals literally like doing anything. On my way to LA, playing with slime. I actually, guys, this is like legit how you watch a show, and even when you're not really watching it, you're like listening to it. I'm currently listening to Everyday Meditation, narrated by Cesar F. Barajas. Your girl is stressed. I need some me time, and when I'm not listening to books or a good show, and I'm listening to some meditation to relax, learn how to breathe better, and just chill. If you're stressed out or if you just want to meditate, it's actually pretty chill and really relaxing. Hashtag self-care. Hashtag Audible. So make sure to click the link down below to download Audible and get your 3 months for $6.95. Download down below. Thank you so much, Audible, for sponsoring this video. And let's get back into the video. We are back with another underrated slime shop review. I love underrated slime shops. Honestly, these are my favorite type of videos to film because a lot of the times they put so much effort into it because they're up and coming, and they're usually always so much more affordable than the bigger slime shops, and they're usually just as good. So I'm super excited. So one of them is in a bag, and that is this one. The bag is a little bit ripped up because I got a lot. I was able to snatch a lot of slime. First up is gonna be Pat Heel Slime Shop. Also, this video, there's 2 parts to it. This is filmed today. The other part of this video, I'm gonna be wearing something completely different. My makeup is different. It's a completely different day because sometimes I start filming a video and then I forget that I'm waiting on another slime package. I feel like my slime reviews sometimes could be like all over the place, and this is one of those videos. And I will also make sure to link the 2 shops down below, and I'll make sure to link their Instagrams, so go check them out. So I actually met her a few times, and she is actually hilarious. So I got a business card, and I also got some slime solution, which is some activator. So let's get into it. We'll start off with this one right here. So this is, oh man, I don't think it has a name. I think this is literally one of the only ones that does not have a name, and I'm so sad. This smells amazing. This slime smells like bubble gum. Oh wow, I didn't even know this was a cloud. What the heck? I thought this was a butter. Oh, I don't want to ruin it, but it's gonna have to happen to get it out. No! I'm ruining it. It's so nice though, like honey. My gosh. I think it smells like bubble gum. This is a super thick cloud slime. I mean, I think it is a cloud slime. I don't know why I feel like it has clay though. This feels so good, and it smells amazing. I keep thinking it's gonna smell like mango or something, but it smells like bubble gum. All right, next up we have this one. I'm so sad that it doesn't have names because some of them do, but some of them don't. Oh, this smells like it would be a bread type of slime. I think I have this bread scent. Oh my god, it's super creamy. It has sprinkles. This is so soft. Wow, crazy soft. It definitely has instant snow. I feel like this is some kind of like cake or bread. It's like a cloud cream mixed with like a jelly slime. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so good. I love this texture so much. Love. Next up we got this one right here. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Ooh, it's a butter. Okay, sweetie. This smells really nice. I just can't, it's harder for me to put a scent to the slime because it has no name. So like, I feel like it's an obvious scent, but I can't figure it out. Love, love. All right, next up is Let Your Man Go. Let Your Man Go. I took my ring off because it was like getting in all the slime. Let your man go, basically, but let your man go. What an icon. I smell the mango. Okay, I feel the clay like at the bottom. Oh my God, it's feeling so nice when you mix it in. Ooh, this is such a nice texture. All right, next up, we got this one, which is super pretty, but oh shoot, that was unexpected. These were sitting in my garage and it's a little hot in there. All right, so everything's mixed together now. And this is actually a really, really nice butter slime. Like, I love how she does like a slime in there without the clay and then she like puts the chunks in there and it looks cute in there. I definitely overactivated it a little bit. Last but not least is I Love You or Whatever. So her name's like Let Your Man Go, I Love You or Whatever. Like, so cute. Like, this is what I mean. Like, when I met her in person, like, this is her personality. She was so cool, y'all. It smells like bubblegum. Ooh, this is also, guys, I feel like this has like chunks in it. It has small like clay chunks. Kind of reminds me like of a bubblegum or something. It's so crazy. It's so nice. And now, go to me from the past doing the other review before this one another day. Although it's after this one. Just let's go. All right, y'all, it is another day. I got my second package. This is Puggy Slime Shop. And can I just say, I don't know if it's like the green paper. I don't know if it's my foundation. I don't know if it's the lighting. I don't know what to do. I've been trying to fix this lighting on my camera. I feel like I look greenish, yellowish. So I have Puggy Slime Shop. I'm so excited to open this. I've actually gotten a lot of her slime before and I've been meaning to do a review. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like a ombre-ish. I don't know if it's meant to be like that, but it looks so good. This is lemon or lime. That is thick. I could tell right away. Ooh. Okay, whoa, this is so thick. Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing this? Like, holy thick queen. I love the color combo. Like, the color combo makes it look like it just like glow in the dark. Okay, so this next one is called Sponge. Oh my God. This is the nicest strawberry scent I have ever smelled. Okay, thick. This scent is insane. Like, holy crap, this is the best strawberry scent I have ever smelled. This smells so good. It's so thick. I freaking love thick slimes so much. I'm honestly so shook with that scent. Like, what the heck is that? It's amazing. Okay, so next up we got Blueberry Heavens. I love that name so much. This looks like it might be like butter. And it is so freaking thick. Oh my God, and sizzly. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I love this scent. Her scents are so good. Okay, next up we have Watermelon Crunch. Oh, I love this. That smells like watermelon candy. Like, holy crap, it smells so freaking good. Queen. This one is so creamy. They're all thick, but this one is incredibly creamy. Like, next up we got Ursula. I'm excited for this one. I saw videos on this one and it looks so good. It's like a really dark purple, almost looks black. It has purple and green beads. Are you guys seeing how this just came out? Like, what the what? Okay, thickums. Oh my God. Okay, Ursula. Weave snatch. This does not have a scent, but like, I don't care. This looks amazing. How does she get them so thick? Like so thick to the point that there's not a single, like not even a tad bit sticky. You know how sometimes there's like a thick slime, a thick clear, but it still has like that little like stickiness. This kind of reminds me like of a putty. That's how thick it is, which I love these type. Like I love the thick putty like slimes. Cucumber melon. She's definitely very thick. Last but definitely not least, we have Miss Cherry. I've seen a lot of videos on this one and it looks so freaking thick, so glossy, so amazing. And I love cherry scents so much. The creaminess. Like I'm trying so hard to figure out, like, is this glue? Is this school glue? Is this a mix of everything? Give me my weave back. Oh my god. Wig extinct. Oh my god, this is freaking amazing. You out here annihilating weaves, sweetie. This is like insane. Y'all don't understand how creamy these are. Like what in the world? You know what? I love a slime that is so bomb that I question how the heck it's made. After you make slime for so long, you kind of like figure out what is in slime. You know what I mean? And then when you start questioning, like, wait, is there clay in this? Is there no clay in this? What is in here? That's when you know it's bomb. Puggy Slime Shop coming for weaves. That was it from Puggy Slime Shop. Oh my gosh. Both of these slime shops were so freaking bomb. I wish I could do a video like fitting a bunch of underrated slime shops in one. Like maybe for a next video, I'll buy like 2 from each shop or something. But every time, like, I just can't help myself and I always end up buying over 5 slimes. And then by the time I review it, I'm like, oh my god, this is a long video. And you can only fit like 2 in. So that is it for these underrated slime shops. I'll make sure to link them down below. Comment down which one was your favorite slime. These were actually both pretty bomb, y'all. Like, I'm telling you guys, these are my favorite type of videos to film. The ones where I do underrated slime shops, those are my favorite slime shop reviews ever because they're usually way more affordable and they usually never disappoint. So I'll make sure to link them down below as well as their Instagram. Go check them out. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.